Tennant Company, a recognized leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you a highly maneuverable, compact rider scrubber with big productivity. The T12. Scrubbing with the T12 increases productivity, provides health and safety benefits, and simplifies maintenance, all with a low cost of ownership. And because it's made by Tennant, it's reliable and durable. The T12 is a compact, battery-operated, high-performance floor scrubber that delivers excellent cleaning results on virtually every hard surface floor application. Whether you're cleaning a sensitive surface, maintaining a polish on concrete, or scouring off heavy grime, the T12 brings heavy-duty compact performance to the job with innovative, exclusive features. Equipping the T12 with various options tailors the machine to a wide range of applications, from the factory floor to the retail floor. The T12 is extremely simple to use. Easy to identify yellow maintenance touch points make pre-inspections and routine maintenance quick and easy. A large fill opening makes filling fast, just a few minutes to fill and prep for use. The T12's onboard self-diagnostics feature quickly reviews all systems at startup and automatically reports back to the operator if something needs to be checked. It's so easy to operate. Simply push the large green button and start cleaning. A full tank of water will last up to 1 hour with Tennant's innovative ECH2O technology. This means scrubbing 2 to 3 times longer than with conventional scrubbers, helping decrease water usage. Reduce negative environmental impact and improve your bottom line through higher productivity and cost savings on chemicals. Comfortable and confident operators work more effectively and are more productive. The T12 Compact Rider Scrubber delivers peace of mind, operator safety benefits, and comfort. The large operator compartment reduces fatigue and allows substantial legroom. An operator can get on and off the machine on either side. With car-like propel and brake pedals located together, operating the T12 is easy and intuitive with single-foot operation, unlike other machines that require the use of both feet to operate properly. Cleaning controls are within easy reach, keeping the operator's attention facing forward and toward the cleaning edge while working the scrubbing controls. Excellent visibility means confident maneuvering even in tight, congested spaces. The squeegee and scrub brushes are designed to be removed easily and quickly for inspection. At the end of a cleaning shift, the T12 is quick and easy to clean out. Simply twist the drain cuff to adjust the flow of dirty water to match your drain capacity. Expand your productivity with the T12's unique optional cleaning features. Clean floors from edge to edge with a scrubbing side brush. It increases your cleaning path width by 28%. Located up front, the scrubbing side brush is within easy view of the operator and allows for edge-to-edge cleaning. The brush retracts on impact, protecting the brush and your facility from damage. An optional vacuum wand is always ready for use, making it easy to recover wet spills in remote, hard-to-reach areas. The spray nozzle allows for remote cleaning and makes quick work of spraying down the recovery tank, squeegee, and scrub deck. Protect your facility, operator, and asset with additional options for the T12, including the heavy-duty front bumper and rear squeegee guard. The sturdy FOPS certified overhead guard helps protect the operator from falling objects and debris. The T12, designed for you and built for your application. Keep your T12 working at its best by using only Tennant replacement parts. Tennant parts are designed specifically to fit your T12, delivering long life, high performance, and durability. Lower your total cost of ownership with impressive heavy-duty scrubbing performance, outstanding health and safety benefits, increased productivity, and easy operation and maintenance. Tennant's T12 delivers big productivity in a compact, maneuverable rider scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.